A land surveyor is a crucial professional in the field of architecture, engineering, and construction. In Bhubaneswar, one of the leading companies in this industry is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience, they offer top-notch land surveying services to their clients. The role of a land surveyor is to accurately measure and map out land boundaries, elevations, and other physical features of a property. This information is vital for various purposes such as creating site plans, determining property lines, and assessing the suitability of a location for construction projects. Land surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that construction projects are carried out efficiently and in compliance with regulations. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a reputable company in Bhubaneswar that specializes in land surveying services. They have a team of highly skilled and qualified land surveyors who use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to provide accurate measurements and data. Whether it's a residential, commercial, or industrial property, Scon Design India Private Ltd can handle all types of land surveying projects. As a land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services. These include boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and elevation certificates. Boundary surveys are essential to determine the exact property lines and prevent any encroachments or disputes. Topographic surveys provide detailed information about the natural and man-made features of a property, including contours, trees, buildings, and utilities. Construction staking involves marking the location of structures, utilities, and roads on the ground before construction begins. Elevation certificates are necessary for properties located in flood-prone areas. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other land surveying companies in Bhubaneswar is their commitment to delivering high-quality services. When it comes to land surveying in Bhubaneswar, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a trusted and reliable company that provides professional services in this field. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in various aspects of land development and construction projects. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land, ensuring that the boundaries are clearly defined and all necessary data is collected. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of experienced and skilled land surveyors who possess a deep understanding of the local regulations and requirements. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its expertise in land surveying in Bhubaneswar. The company has been serving clients in this region for many years, providing accurate and reliable surveying services. Their team of land surveyors possesses the necessary knowledge and skills to handle a wide range of projects, from small residential properties to large commercial developments. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to ensure precise measurements and detailed mapping. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for land surveying in Bhubaneswar is their commitment to delivering high-quality services. They understand the importance of accuracy in land surveying and strive to provide their clients with the